Hi people, welcome to Opportunities Worldwide. Today there is an exciting opportunity by UNEP. It's a call for young champions around the world on the different continents who are working on creating a better environment, a more sustainable environment. So this fellowship will involve training and also an award of up to $20,000 for the top 5 people per continent or per region. So there are 5 winners, and each winner will also receive a $20,000 award. So let's look at these. Applications for the Young Champions of the Earth Awards are now open and apply before 5th April 2024. Young Champions of the Earth is the flagship youth engagement initiative of the United Nations Environment Programme. The award is bestowed annually to ambitious young people from around the world with outstanding ideas to protect and restore the environment. So these are the previous winners. I'll share a link to this video, to this website, UNEP website, in the description of this video. For now, let me go straight away to the application form or the application page. So in 2024, young champions of the earth will be selected, one from each global region, as I already mentioned, from Africa, from Europe, from Latin America and the Caribbean, North America, West Asia, and 2 from Asia and the Pacific. Each winner will receive mentorship, capacity building workshops, and access to a UN community of experts. An introduction to dignitaries, publicity, and also the $20,000 grant in seed funding. The 2024 Young Champions of the Earth will be required to share their journeys through videos and blogs on the website for up to 1 year. If you have at least 6 months experience working on a big idea to protect or restore the environment, and you'll be aged between 18 and 30 by 31st December 2024, you are eligible to apply. So let's go straight to the application form. Yeah, so you come and create an account. Okay, you click on sign up, create an account, and sign in, and you'll be able to see the application form. I'll end here because it's a very easy application process. So if you know any young people working to protect the environment, please don't hesitate to share this video with them. Goodbye.